When there is Shahi Kabir and a police story, we better get up and take notice. Ronth, the new Malayalam thriller written and directed by Shahi Kabir, plunges us into a world which is known but also completely unknown to us. Police officers doing night patrol runs are very, very common in our country. We have all seen it. And yet, to witness a film which is only about this one particular aspect in a police officer's life was still so alien to me. The film introduces us to two police officers played by Roshan Mathew and Dileesh Pothan, who for one particular night around Christmas are assigned to do patrolling together. As the film progresses, we witness both the officers encountering various people and situations together, through which we get an understanding of how both the characters think and what are their individual perspectives. Roshan Mathew is a rookie who is driven by a moral compass, and he is a fearful man. Dileesh, on the other hand, is the experienced cop who really does not have a moral high ground. But wait, he isn't like that bad villainous cop. He is just more practical. He tries to teach Roshan the ropes for survival in this ruthless and frankly sort of a thankless job. But we also find out that both of them are fighting their own individual demons. On the course of the patrolling, you slowly see them trying to understand each other and forming a connection. And it is done in a highly organic way through shared experiences. So I kept on assuming that this is a film where they will be showing both of these cops encountering various situations through the night, and of course there is a main plot running which will obviously get a closure by the end of the film. But then comes the major twist. Now I will talk about this particular twist in the end of this review because it's a major spoiler. But yes, I was most definitely taken aback. I was not at all expecting it. Anyway, I will definitely talk about it in the end, but one thing I definitely want to highlight is that how involved you feel as an audience while watching this film. Set against the backdrop of Christmas that feels anything but festive, its world is a dark, tense undercurrent of dread, framed by ominous cinematography and a soundscape that practically hums with tension. Christmas lights and late night streets have never looked so haunting. I am telling you, there were moments in this film that truly felt like a horror movie. In fact, it actually does have a couple of jump scare moments, which very smartly reflects the mindset of Roshan Mathew's character. Because most of these jump scare moments involve him. And someone who is very familiar with Shahi Kabir's work will definitely see his signature touch here as well. He himself has been a part of the force, so the attention to detail on the conversations and the body language of a rookie officer versus a veteran officer is very realistically done. The screenplay is meticulous and grounded in his personal experience. And as a director, Shahi Kabir's hand is extremely sure and measured. He doesn't play around with faff. You just feel the constant tension in the screenplay while watching the film. More than a procedural, Ronth is about the ghosts that these two men carry. The story might seem modest at first glance, but it gradually reveals itself as a Shakespearean tragedy wrapped in the skin of a thriller. Performances by Dileesh Pothan and Roshan Mathew are pitch perfect, and they really complement each other. The gravitas that Dileesh Pothan has as a veteran cop and that really timid nature of the rookie cop that is played by Roshan, it's all done so well. I mean, yes, the screenplay is engaging, but it is backed by such powerful performances and most definitely very powerful technical aspects. Okay, time for that big reveal in the end. Guys, this is a very big spoiler, so if you have not watched the film, please tap out of this video right now. I repeat, tap out of this video right now because this is a major spoiler. So as the film ends, we know that Dileesh Pothan and Roshan Mathew get wrongly accused for a murder. But that's not the big reveal. The big reveal comes in when the news flash happens and we see Kunchako Boban and Nimisha Sajayan's face plastered on that news clip. So it officially gets confirmed that this is part of the Nayatta universe and both stories are kind of running parallel. So yes, as I mentioned before, definitely a thankless job because you can get wrongfully convicted very easily. There are many officers who are turned into scapegoats, and this is not fiction, this is a reality. It happens. Now, if you have watched my Nayatta review many years back, you know how much I love that film. It is one of my most favorite modern day Malayalam films when it comes to a thriller. So I don't know if Nayatta 2 is happening or not, but I would definitely want to see if in the next film where all these three characters cross paths with each other, is there going to be a courtroom drama where they actually get acquitted and they prove their innocence somehow? Because if you see Dileesh Pothan's character in this movie, he said, you know what, You can convict me, fine, but I know how to get out of this mess. I will ensure that I do that. He's not scared. He's pretty confident. And we all know what happened with Roshan's character. In my head, because the Naruto story and the Ron story are happening in parallel, maybe during the court proceedings in the next future film, maybe we see two separate court proceedings happening parallelly, and somehow these characters crossing path with each other and sharing their experiences, and maybe because of that some revelation comes along and they are able to prove their innocence. Because I most definitely feel that Dilish's veteran experience and him being so practical about things and him knowing the ropes is going to come in handy. So I don't know what is in the pipeline next, but this brings in a lot of excitement in my heart personally, because the possibilities of this story to take different routes and to have different kind of conclusions is just endless. Do you think that this movie being in the Naruto universe makes sense? Do you think it's forced? Do you think that no, now the possibilities are endless to cook a really cool storyline? I definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments for that. But yes, overall, this was a very engaging film from a screenplay and storyline perspective. And because this is part of the Naruto universe, I really don't want to compare it with Naruto, because if it was officially announced as a sequel, in our heads, I'm sure we would have been comparing it with Naruto. But obviously, we all walked into the theater thinking it was not the case. And I think that was a really well played strategy by Shahi Kabir and the team. Anyway, those were my thoughts for Ronth. I definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments if you have watched the film. And with that, I will end this video here. Hope you guys have watched this entire review and have enjoyed it. And I'm going to sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye!